Alright, let's talk some facts. If you're a graphic designer, video editor, or social media manager, everyone always says that if you want to get clients, just go on Upwork, Fiverr, or on social media. But what if I tell you that you can land a high-paying clients without logging into an app? Yeah, you heard me right. So let's talk about the real life places where money actually moves. Stay with me, watch this video up to the end as I break it down for you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Patrick, a creative mind behind Obakhas Geeks, your #1 digital solution bar. If you're tired of chasing clients online and you want a real in-person strategist, you're at the right place. So let's get started. The #1 place in our list is clubs. This is a networking place where money is. Listen, most business owners don't spend their time scrolling for service providers online. Instead, they're out there socializing, networking, and making deals. So high-end clubs, members-only lodge, and even casual gathering can be a goldmine for networking. I want you to picture these guys. You watch into a classy bar or lodge, then you order a drink and casually start a conversation with anybody around you. You talk about what you do, you show them a quick sample of your work, and boom, you just pitched your service without making it feel like a sales pitch. What you need to do, guys, when you're visiting this place, you need to carry a digital or printed portfolio on your phone and be ready to show, not just telling stories. The #2 place in our list is forums, camps, and boot camps. Now, if you're serious about getting high quality clients, you need to go where the industry professionals are. And guess what? They are attending business forums, leadership camps, and skill building boot camps. The good thing with this event is that they attract decision makers. These are the people with budget businesses that needs your services, right? Unlike online platforms where you're competing with thousands of freelancers. So here you are one of the few in the room. So that's the advantage of these events. So instead of attending, you need to try to get a speaking slot in these events or even volunteering to showcase your skill. So this move builds authority fast. #3 in our list is master classes. This way you position yourself as an expert. You know what's better than chasing clients? Make them come to you. And that's what exactly happens when you are the expert in the room. These are the 3 important things you get in master classes. Attending or teaching master classes instantly gives you a credibility. Once you're in this place, you're surrounded by people who value skills and willing to pay for expertise. And #3, when you teach in master classes, people see you as a leader, and leaders attract opportunities. This is a pro tip. When you're not ready to teach yet, just attend and be super active. Ask questions, engage, and make sure people notice you. And that's how you build connection very fast. Freelancing is not just about online hustling. If you know where to position yourself, you can meet big clients in real life. No middlemen, no platform fees, just direct business. All you need to do, guys, just go where money moves. Position yourself as an expert. Always be ready to showcase your skills. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.